Hey all, this is Jeet from MathsJ.in and we were discussing some problems of multiplication and division. ये प्रॉब्लम्स का ये शीट खत्म हो गया है और मैथ्स करते ही बाय द एंड ऐसे ही दिखता है अनलेस अनटिल यू आर डूइंग ए फेयर राइटिंग फॉर योर एग्जाम और स्कूल प्रैक्टिस तो ऐसे ही चलता है. So that sheet is over, keeping it aside. Starting with another sheet for another problem like that. So we had done books to be packed in boxes from the shelf and the number of batches of sweets required for a client delivery. Now let's talk of another type of problem. So welcome to mathsg.in. Good art to master in mathematics from class 1 to class 12. Whatever your class is, and 70% or 90%, whatever your standard is, if you do your problems confidently, then if you do your problems confidently, then you will be called as a maths genius. Correct? So let's get started with the problem. What is that problem? So let's say there are 140 students in an assembly hall. Okay? And each row is going to contain some 12 students. Then how many rows will be formed? 12 students in a row. Then simple question is how many rows? I will make this question more complicated after I solve this. सो धीरे धीरे प्रॉब्लम्स को हम स्ट्रोंगर बनाते जाएंगे ताकि सोच बढ़ पाए, एन आई नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस बढ़ पाए, हमें ए आई पे डिपेंडेंट होने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो कीप ऑन यूटिलाइजिंग योर ब्रेन, इट विल कीप ऑन ग्रोइंग faster than AI, better than AI, stronger than AI. Wish you all the best for that one. We believe in NI, not AI. Let's check it out. So simple things. 140 students and 12 students per row. So how many rows? Now 140 students divided by 12 students per row. So we'll be making a division. 12 ones are 12. So 2 down, 0 down. So now this is 20. So again it is not doubling up. So again 12 ones are 12. 8 is left out. So that means there will be 11 rows which will get completed with 12 students in each. But there 8 students will be left out. So these 8 students are to be fitted in a row again. But that row will not be complete one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8 students will be there. Last 4 students may not be present. So whatever this case, this could be a very perfect division. This is not, there is a remainder. If there is a remainder, then we need another one row. So 11 rows by the quotient and 8 one more row for the 8 students who remained. 8 स्टूडेंट्स को जगह नहीं मिला 11 रोज में, तो और एक रो लगेगा. सो टोटल हाउ मेनी रोज रिक्वायर्ड? ना 12 rows required. Now my question gets a bit stronger over here. If I say to complete the last row, simple first question, is the last row complete? The question will be added with this one. Is the last row complete? In this case, no. Then how many more students do we require to complete? Now each row requires 12 students. The eight students remained. So another four students are required to fill up this last row. So question can get complicated or stronger by that. Again, the question could be more complicated if later on another 16 students joined. Another 16 students joined. Then how many rows? Now look at this. 16 students means one is 12 students required for a new complete row and 4 students required for the previous row. And if we fill up the last row, which was consisting of 8 students, we require 4 students over here. Okay, these 4 students will go here. Then another students to 12 students will come in another row, so one more row, so that is not 12 rows, and now we will have 13 rows. If 16 students joined later to these 140 students, okay, if 16 students joined later, then the deficit of 4 students is replenished. Again a new row is also formed, so 11 plus 1 plus 1. The simple thing is you can do it in some another way. 140 students were there, already row formation done, then let 16 joined later. So that's why we went like this. From the beginning, if we get to know that 140 students were there, 16 joined. So total how much it became? 156. If 12 students per row, then how many rows? It will be a simple division. 12 ones are 12, 3 left out, 36, 12 threes are 36. So what, it's the perfect division, and how many exact rows required? Now 13. Look at this. Our answer is matching. But the situation or the question may not be like this. It can say 16 students joined later, means आपका सारा रो फॉर्म होने के बाद 16 रो आए, 16 स्टूडेंट्स आए, तो सिंपल सी बात है, जो डेफिशिएट स्टार स्टूडेंट्स को आप लगाओगे 12th रो में और 12 स्टूडेंट्स बन जाएंगे 13th रो में. सो थोड़ा ऐसे एनालिटिकल आपको सोचना पड़ता है एट टाइम्स, और जितना क्लास बढ़ता जाएगा आपका एनालिटिकल थिंकिंग वैसे भी बढ़ते जाना चाहिए. अलग विद दैट, जैसे मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में थोड़ा एकदम सिली मिस्टेक कर दिया कैलकुलेशन में, 18 इंटू 5 40 लिख दिया, जबकि 18 इंटू 5 90 है. उसी तरह से कैलकुलेशन अगर जल्दी जल्दी में करोगे तो ये सिंपल प्रॉब्लम भी थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो सकता है. नाउ लुक एट, मैं क्वेश्चन सिंपल से शुरू किया था, धीरे धीरे मैंने यहाँ तक गया, इससे भी और ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट कर सकता हूँ, जो कि क्लास 10 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा करने के लिए. क्लास 10 में एक चैप्टर है प्रोबेबिलिटी. सो मैं आई कैन ऐड दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी इनटू दिस वन. If another 16 students are probable, okay, that could be a question. Now probability is a chance, आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे, it depends. So 13th रो के लिए हम जगह छोड़ के खड़े रहेंगे. अगर 16 स्टूडेंट्स बाद में आए तो 13 रो, नहीं आए तो 12 रो. तो ये सब थोड़ा ट्रिकी और कंडीशनल क्वेश्चंस बढ़ते जाते हैं इन हायर क्लासेस. 11 12th में भी प्रोबेबिलिटी परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन है, वहां पे फिर परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन आगे आ जाएगा. सो परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन में क्या होगा ना, हम दोनों साइड में दो दो टॉलर बच्चे रखेंगे, बीच में 8 शॉर्टर, मतलब द लेंथ. सो टॉलर स्टूडेंट्स विल बी एट द कॉर्नर्स हियर एंड शॉर्टर स्टूडेंट्स एट द मिडल. ये हो जाता है कॉम्बिनेशन. एंड उसमें सोचो कि 156 स्टूडेंट्स में लोगों का हाइट दिया गया है बच्चों का, तो आपको वो परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन डाल के कौन सर्व में कौन खड़े रहेंगे वो भी बताना पड़ता है, विच इज इन क्लास 11 12, जो इंजीनियरिंग एग्जामिनेशन की एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में भी आ जाता है कभी कभी. So starting from class 2, 3, 4 to class 11, 12, you can increase your natural thinking, natural analytical ability, and natural intelligence step by step. Don't be dependent on AI. Keep on complicating your work and be confident while doing the things. That's why you become, how you become maths genius. We say, you are the mass genius. Be that. See you with another video. This is Jeet from massg.in.